If you're new to trading, one of the biggest questions you probably have is, where do I start? There are thousands of stocks, hundreds of trading strategies, and an endless amount of information online. It can feel overwhelming. The good news is that you don't need to learn everything at once. One of the best ways to begin is by focusing on a single market and practicing one simple strategy until it becomes second nature. That's why I recommend learning to trade SPY 0 DTE options using a paper trading account. SPY is one of the most actively traded ETFs in the world because it has so much trading volume. There are price movements throughout the day that create frequent trading opportunities. Unlike swing trading, where you might wait days or even weeks for a setup, day trading SPY can provide multiple trading opportunities in a single session. That means you gain experience much faster. Instead of making 1 or 2 trades each week, you can watch dozens of price movements every day. The more quality setups you observe, the faster you'll recognize trends, breakouts, reversals, support, and resistance. And the best part is that you can practice all of this with paper trading. Paper trading allows you to place simulated trades using virtual money. You experience real market conditions without risking your own capital. It is one of the fastest and safest ways to build confidence before trading with real money. Another important lesson for beginners is understanding that you don't need to hit home runs on every trade. Many new traders hold positions too long, hoping for huge profits, only to watch winning trades turn into losses. Instead, consider setting a realistic profit target. A simple approach is using a take-profit limit order between 10 and 20%. Once your order is filled, you're out of the trade, you've locked in your profit, and you move on to the next opportunity. Small, consistent gains can add up over time, while helping remove emotion from your trading decisions. Remember, successful trading isn't about making one huge trade. It's about following a proven process over and over again with discipline and consistency. If you're looking for guidance while learning, that's exactly why I created my Discord trading bot and Discord trading school. The Discord trading bot provides real-time trade alert signals throughout the trading day, helping you identify potential entry opportunities as they happen. You can compare these alerts with your own market analysis and use them while paper trading to build confidence and improve your decision-making. Inside the Discord Trading School, you'll find step-by-step training designed specifically for beginners. You'll learn how to read price action, identify support and resistance levels, recognize breakout setups, understand market momentum, and develop the discipline needed to become a consistent trader. You'll also gain access to educational videos, custom trading view indicators, trading examples, and a community of traders who are all working toward the same goal, becoming better traders. Learning alongside experienced traders can dramatically shorten your learning curve and help you avoid many of the common mistakes that new traders make. If you're serious about learning how to trade, start with paper trading. Focus on one market. Practice one strategy. Set realistic profit targets. Build consistency before risking real money. With patience, practice, and the right education, you'll develop skills that can last a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future trading lessons. And if you're ready to accelerate your learning, check out the links in the description below to join my Discord trading bot and Discord trading school. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.